In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently search for emails in Zoho Mail. Whether you're trying to locate an important message from a colleague or digging up an old conversation, knowing how to skillfully navigate your inbox can save you a lot of time and effort. Let's dive right in and make sure you can find what you're looking for with ease. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to the Zoho Mail website by entering https://mail.zoho.com in the address bar. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you should be looking at your inbox, which serves as the command center for all your email needs. Now, direct your attention to the search bar located prominently at the top of the page. This is the tool we'll be using to sift through all your emails. Imagine it as the gateway to fetching snippets from the sea of messages housed in your account. Click on this search bar to activate it, allowing you to input your search query. The versatility of Zoho Mail's search functionality is worth noting. You can search using a variety of criteria. For instance, you might have a particular keyword in mind. Perhaps it's someone's name, a specific word that appeared in the email body, or even a subject that's pertinent to your search. If you remember part of the email address, whether it's the sender or recipient, you can simply type in that email address. This method is particularly useful if you have frequent communications with specific individuals or organizations. Alternatively, you might want to search by domain, which is the text following the @ symbol in an email address. One example is @paypal.com. This can help you locate all emails coming from a particular organization. You might recall a phrase or even the subject line itself. Typing these into the search bar will further refine what you're looking for, directing you to the right email even faster. Once you've typed your search criteria into the search bar, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard to initiate the search. In a moment, matching results will populate below the search bar. What makes this function particularly helpful is the instant feedback it provides you. You won't have to wait long or sift through unnecessary threads. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be able to confidently and quickly locate emails within Zoho Mail. Mastering this search technique can streamline your email management and improve your efficiency, leaving you more time to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for tuning in, and happy